sum possible from all the subarrays. All right. So suppose you have this example given here consisting of these elements. Let us start solving maximum subarray sum. Okay. The problem statement says, given an integer array ARR, you need to find and return the maximum sum possible from all the subarrays. All right. So suppose you have this example given here consisting of these elements 2, 3, -8, 7, -1, 2, and 3. Okay. This is an array which is given to you. Now, if you want to categorize a subarray, well, subarray is nothing but a contiguous chunk of your original array. Okay. And your complete array can also be considered as a subarray. All right. So if I say that this part 2, 3, -8, is it a subarray? Yes, that is, because it is a continuous chunk of your array. Considering this one, this is also a continuous chunk. Let's say considering this one, a continuous chunk. What cannot be considered? Let's say if I say whether with 3, -8, and -1, can you consider this a subarray? Well, no, that is something different. That is subsequence, and we're not talking about that. Okay, we cannot skip any element in between. So you should keep this in mind. Now, what is the question saying? The question is saying that you need to give a subarray which has possibly the maximum sum in the complete array. So here we can see, let's suppose, let's try to make our own subarrays. Let's consider this one. Okay, what will be the summation of the elements of this chunk of the array or this subarray? It will be 5, -8, that means -3, correct? And -3 is supposedly not the biggest value that we can achieve while summing up and choosing our maximum subarray. So yeah, let's skip this. Let's skip this subarray. Going on to any other example, let's take this one up. What will we get? I'll get 5 - 1, that would end up at 4. So 4 is still a decent answer. At least it is not negative, but is it the largest? Well, it turns out that this answer says that, okay, it is not. But once you include 7 in your answer, this chunk or this subarray will become the maximum subarray which is required in the question. So here you can see, if we solve it, it says 11 as the answer. Okay, and that is what is given as the output. And we need to focus on the output. We do not need to actually give the subarray. We need, then do tell me in the comments. Thanks.